PowerPoint 2016 has a great new feature that allows you to record anything on the screen. Let's have a look at that. I'll click on Insert, I'll go along the ribbon, and I'll click here on Screen Recording. When I click on Screen Recording, a control panel is going to appear at the top of the screen. So straight away, what you'll notice is my computer went to this website. PowerPoint remembers the last application you were using and assumes you want to record that screen. So I was on TED.com earlier, and so when I clicked on record in PowerPoint, it took me to TED.com. I could be recording just in PowerPoint alone, but let's say you've got a case tool or some bespoke software that only your business uses. You want to record how to do that software, how to do a task really quickly. So you'll see in this panel I have record, I have a timer, I have a box, I can turn audio on and off, and should I want to, I could turn the pointer on and off. And you'll also see this little pin here to say if I want the control panel to show throughout the recording or if I don't. So let's say I want to record what's going on the screen. I'll click on record. Okay, you'll see it's giving me a countdown, and now whatever I do is being recorded. How do I know that? Well, okay, let's say I've taken someone to a great TED talk that I found. Okay, and I'm just showing them that there's different topics on the TED Talk website, just as an example. So now I want to stop that video recording. I'll take my mouse to the top of the screen, and the control panel appears. You'll see I've been recording for 26 seconds. I could pause the video here. I could click on audio on and off. Let's go and stop the video. And what PowerPoint does now is puts that video into our PowerPoint presentation. And if I click play down here, countdown, and now whatever I do is being recorded. Great. So the chances are high you're not going to want to share a PowerPoint with someone with embedded videos in it. If you do, of course, you'd want to save to your OneDrive, to your Microsoft Cloud, and share it from there. This file is going to be very large. Perhaps you want to share it with somebody that doesn't have Office, or for one reason or another you just want the video file. Well, look what happens when I click on the video I've inserted. You'll notice the ribbon, that is all of these tools up here. The ribbon changes. It tries to guess what I'm doing next. So here's my default tools. I'll click on this video once. See how the tools change? Yeah? Okay, so let's say I want to send someone the MP4 file, not the PowerPoint, but just this video. If I right click on the video, you'll see down here it says Save Media As. And from here, I could call the video TED website or whatever I wanted. It says media file. It says media file, but if I show you just on my desktop, you'll see that this file is an MP4, the most commonly used video format. So again, you wouldn't attach this to an email. You can see that very short video is 20 megabytes. You'd upload this to your cloud, whether that be your Microsoft Cloud, and you'd send someone a shareable link. You'll see other videos about sharing files by OneDrive on my channel. So I've got my video and I've exported it there in PowerPoint 2016. But that'll look far too easy. Let's try it again. Let's imagine something's gone wrong. I'm going to click on Insert Video again, Screen Recording. Okay, and I want it to record the TED website, but let's say I've got a file over here on the right I don't want people to see. Maybe I've got some notes or something I want to say written here in a notepad file, and I don't want the video to capture that. You'll notice that when I click record, before it recorded the whole screen. That's the default, but using this button here, I can select just the area I want. Just the area I want. Let's say it was just that part of the website. Click on record. Again, it's going to give me a little countdown. Okay. So now it's going to record just that part of my screen. I could have anything over here. I could have anything over here and nobody's going to see it. So I've just made a text file. The video person couldn't see it. They might have heard it, but they couldn't see it. So to get that control panel again, I'm going to take the mouse to the top of the screen and click on stop. Okay. So now it's going to record here, let's look at this one again. Just that part of my So what we've got now is we've got a video that's just recorded one section of our screen. I'm just showing you a website here, but maybe there's a software tool that you use. Maybe there's a process that you have. Maybe you've got new people starting and you want them to show them how to use some HR system or how to book a holiday, something like that. So you can record your whole screen, part of your screen, but then what else might go wrong? Well, again, all I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this video. Okay, and you'll see I've got format video, but what else might I want to do? Okay, so I've got format, how it looks. Okay, does it want a border? Do I want the video to be a different shape? I mean, that's pretty crazy, but maybe. And then playback, what does this playback? Did you notice this is shaded? So now I've recorded a video and clicked on it. So I'll show you again. I click away from everything. Normal set of tools that I'm going to use in PowerPoint, most commonly used stuff. I double click on the video and then watch this ribbon change. See? Now it's guessing what I want to do next. Oh, right, Mark, you're going to format this video. Yeah, what I'd like to do is like to cut off the bit at the start and the end because it's got that control panel on it. So let's go ahead and do that. I click on trim video. Okay, and we've got this green control here and this red control here. So let's say, just for example, I'm going to cut off the first few seconds. I'm going to cut off the last few seconds. I could put in the exact time here if I wanted to. And then click on play. And OK. And now it's cut the video for me. Okay, so let's try again. So I've got the video there. I'll click on trim video. From trim video, I'll say, right, let's cut it to there, and cut it to there, just so as you can see it's actually worked. So that was what was the start of my video before, and now the video should start not there, but where all these different categories are. And I'll click on OK. And I've just edited a video of anything on my screen in PowerPoint in seconds. It's that easy. PowerPoint 2016 is an incredible tool. This combined with the Microsoft Cloud, with the other Office 365 applications, whether it's on your laptop that you're using this or whether you're sharing it and looking at phones. So this video could be watched on a phone, on a tablet or anything like that. It's the most popular format of MP4. So we looked at Office 2016 and how to record a video of anything on your computer screen. Maybe have a look at the rest of the channel to see if there's other stuff that's useful for you.